This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Threads app keeps crashing issues on Android or iOS device. So whenever you launch the Threads app, it automatically closing or not opening or not working. Follow these easy and simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check for any update. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Threads. If you see any update available, then update the Thread app from here and then check the issue. The second solution is, if you're an iPhone user, then go to your iPhone settings and from there you have to upload the Thread app. And if you're an Android user, then go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search for Thread, tap on Thread, tap on clear data, tap on clear all data, tap on OK, and then relaunch the Thread app and check the issue. The third solution is free up your phone storage. If your phone storage is running out, it may be the reason of your facing Thread not opening or not working issue. So all you can do is uninstall or offload unnecessary apps, games, photos, videos from your phone to free up your storage. And then check the issue. The last and final solution is uninstall the Thread app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. And hope any of this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.